Hey, so like, did y'all just see that? Like, should I play it again? Should I play it again? Let me play it again. Hold up a minute. Alright, so I have to give a shout out to my girl Darian. She made this amazing intro for me. I love it so, so much. It's literally everything I asked for, 100% my vibe. Yellow, orange, like the music's pumping, the animation's great. I love it so, so much. I am so thankful to you, Darian, and all the work that you did for me. So thank you so much for giving me such an amazing intro. Now, back to the video. Alright guys, so I'm back. It's been a while because story time. I bought the hair dye that I'm gonna get. You guys will see that in a minute. And it had been like a week and a half, and I still hadn't heard anything, like tracking number, anything like that. So I was like, whatever, like, you know, COVID's just taking a while. And then one day I just got this random text being like, hey, your shipment was canceled. Here's your money back. I was like, okay. So I went and got something a little more pricey, but like not like that bad. And I've always wanted to try this brand. So I just got that in the mail yesterday. So sorry it's been so long. But basically, since it's been so long, I have to do my roots again already. So I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna do the color. Also, once again, I don't have gloves. Alright, so I did all my roots. They're not like done as thoroughly as like I usually did because I am doing the color. So, yeah, I did that. Gonna leave it on for like, I don't know, 30 minutes, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I just got out of the shower, and we're about to do a bleach bath. Bleach bath. But I did miss a few spots, but not awful. And since we're gonna be dyeing my whole head, I don't feel too bad about it. So just there, and then like pretty much the same spot on the other side. But that's not awful. I don't know what the back looks like, but I don't see that, so I don't care. And it's not in pictures, so I don't care. But this is the top. I think I did a pretty good job other than those two spots. And now we're gonna bleach that. So what we're gonna do is I got my girl Becca here. And so we're gonna go over those spots, and then we're gonna just bleach bath it while those spots are still in there. So I don't have to take 5 million showers.
Okay, now we can do the bleach bath because we have enough developer.
We're doing the bleach bath now. And we fix this. The bleach bash. The bleach bash. The whoosh bash. So how do we do this? Just dump it on my head?
Yep.
We did part of it the right way, and then we ran out of developers, so we just did shampoo and bleach. So gonna wait a certain amount of time, don't know how long.
10 to 30.
10 to 30 minutes, so 30. And I'll be back after that. This is my hair right now. I still have one cheetah spot. I don't know why. We put bleach directly on it, so who knows, but it's fine. And once this all dries, which is gonna take a while, we're gonna dye her the secret color. So this is my hair. I still have a cheetah spot. Where did it go? Still like a little cheetah spot right there, but that's like barely noticeable, and I never part my hair there, so like it doesn't matter. So she's looking pretty good, pretty decent. I don't know if I'm gonna make it in black and white or not, but I might. So I guess you'll see in like 0.2 seconds. You guys can't tell what color my hair is. Oh, it makes my eyes look so blue. Look how blue my eyes look.
Oh, I love that. Oh, it's okay.
What does it look like to you?
I can't see the color, can I?
No, what does it look like to you? I'll bleep out anything I need to. What does it remind you of? Anything?
Is this supposed
Are we playing charades? So 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse this out, and then you guys will see the big reveal. All right, so the dyeing process is complete. It is all finished. Everything is looking great. I'm super happy with it. It just needs to dry. So sorry you guys got to wait until tomorrow morning, which will be right now for you. Guys, so it is the next day, I guess, kind of 2 days from now, but that's okay. And I do look a little wrecked today, but I wanted to show you guys the hair. So here it is in 3, 2, 1. Yep, so that's the secret color. I like it. It's slightly more neon than I would have liked. I wanted a more sunflower yellow, but the pictures online apparently lie. So, yeah, I'm gonna let it fade a little bit and then do another type of dye after it fades a little bit. But I love. So get used to this. Bye!